St. George's College, traditionally known for its success in boys' high school sports, has created history ahead of the new ISA volleyball season. For the first time, the institution will field a girls' volleyball team, marking a milestone in the school sports program. Head coach Maurice Williams says the interest among the athletes continues to grow.
Currently, we have approximately 8 steady players, and this number is growing because the emphasis is on the sixth formers. So we don't have a first to fifth form, we only have a sixth form team. So a lot of these girls are starting volleyball for the first time in upper sixth form. So they're playing the game for the first time, about call it 6 weeks of continuous training. And they have come here and they have won a game after 6 weeks of training. So it is good.
Coach Williams says the team's ambitions extend well beyond simply participating in the Wilmer's Volleyball Fest.
Yes, we are entering the ISA Under-19 female competition for the first time. And we hope that we can spring off a few surprises. And we are going to do our best. That's all we can do. We do our best and God takes care of the rest.
Amen. Team captain Andija Chung says the players are united behind a single objective.
The aim is to just do our best and, to get the experience, because all of us, most of us are beginners, so it's just to have fun.
The new ISA high school volleyball season is set to serve off in February on a date to be announced.